Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Electrical Hub. Today's our topic is circuit breaker. Do you know what is circuit breaker? A circuit breaker is an electrical safety device that automatically stops the flow of electricity in a circuit when it detects a fault such as an overload, short circuit. It protects electrical wiring and appliances from damage and can be reset after it trips, unlike a fuse which must be replaced. Let's talk how many types of circuit breakers. MCB Miniature Circuit Breaker. An MCB miniature circuit breaker is an electrical safety device that automatically switches off a circuit when it detects an overload or short circuit. It protects electrical wiring, switch and sockets. MCB are commonly used in home, shops and offices in distribution board. MCCB Module Case Circuit Breaker. An MCCB module case circuit breaker is an electrical protection device used to protect high power electrical circuit from overload, short circuit, earth fault. ELCB Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker. An ELCB Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker is an electrical safety device that cuts off power when it detects leakage current to earth. It protects against electrical shock, fire caused by earth leakage. RCCB Residual Current Circuit Breaker. An RCCB is electrical safety device that protects people from electric shock by cutting off power when it detects leakage current to earth. RCCB protect against electric shock, earth leakage, fire caused by leakage current. RCBO Residual Current Circuit Breaker with Overcurrent Protection. An RCBO is an electrical safety device that combines the function of an MCB and RCCB in one unit. RCBO protect against overload, short circuit, earth leakage. ACB Air Circuit Breaker. An ACB is a high capacity electrical protection device used to protect large electrical circuit from overload, short circuit, earth fault. VCB Vacuum Circuit Breaker. A VCB is an electrical protection device that interrupts high voltage current using vacuum as the arc quenching. VCB protect against overload, short circuit. MPCB Motor Protection Circuit Breaker. An MPCB circuit breaker is a motor protection circuit breaker. It is a special type of circuit breaker designed specially to protect electric motor from damage. MPCB protects motor from overload, short circuit, gate failure. Thank you for watching.